the clockwise chasing the sun. Let's do first going to the right from the top where you turn 90 degrees and you come down into the overhand cap. And then you could just do something like a weave, open it up, and just for the purposes of this exercise, we can go back to the chasing the sun and repeat. So let's do it. Let's say 5 times at least. Chasing the sun, and this next one, come over the top, turn to the right and cap. 2, 3, 4, and then weave, da-da-da-da-da. Turn it into the chasing the sun again, and 5, 6, 7, 8, turn to the right and cap. And then let's go into the weave again, and then we'll chase the sun again, and not this one, but this next one, turn to your right, come into the cap, and not this one, but this next one, come into the weave, and now open it up into the chasing the sun, turn again, and so not this one, but the next one, turn right, go into the cap, and then when you're ready, come into the weave, and we're going to turn that into the chasing the sun again, and then not this one, but the next one, turn right, come into the cap, and then come into the weave, and then come into the chasing the sun. And then last time, not this one, but the next one, turn right, come into the cap, and then come into the weave. We'll go back into the chasing sun. So that's the first one, is from the top, turning right into the overhand version of it. Now we're going to turn left into the underhand version of it. So you come behind your back, turn left, and come up underhand. And just like we did on the other side, let's do the underhand weave, just for a little variety and split time, and then open it back up into the chasing the sun. And not this one, but the next one, down low, turn left, come out underhand on the left-hand side. And then when you're ready, come into the weave, and then come into chasing the sun clockwise again. And not this one low, but this next one low, turn left, come into the underhand cap on your left side. And then when you're ready, into the underhand weave. From the underhand weave, open it up, and then clockwise chasing the sun. And then not this one, but this next one, turn left, underhand cap on the left side. And then come into your underhand weave, open it up, turn right, clockwise chasing the sun. And not this one, but the next one, down low, turn left, underhand cap on the left side. And then when you're ready, come into the underhand weave, open it up, turn right, clockwise chasing the sun. Not this one, but the next one, turn left, underhand cap on the left side. And come into the underhand weave, and open it up, clockwise chasing the sun. And not this one, but the next one, turn left, come into the underhand cap, underhand weave, and open it up, sweep over the top, stall between the legs, come out underhand. We just did the 2 from clockwise. Now we'll do the ones from counterclockwise. So from the counterclockwise chasing the sun, let's, at the bottom, not here, but this next one, turn to the right and come into underhand on the right hand side. And then go into your underhand weave, open it up, and back into counterclockwise chasing the sun. And not this one down here, but the next one, turn to the right, come into underhand, C cap on the right, and then into your underhand weave, open it up, come over the top, counterclockwise chase the sun, and not this one, but the next one, turn right, underhand cap, and then underhand weave, open it up, counterclockwise chasing the sun. Not this one, but the next one, down low, turn right, underhand cap on the right, and then underhand weave, open it up, counterclockwise chasing the sun, and not this one down here, but the next one, turn to the right, underhand weave, and open it up into counterclockwise chasing the sun. Counterclockwise chasing the sun, and we're going to turn to the left at the top. So not this one, but the next one. And when we come to the left, we'll come into overhand cap on the left side. And When you're ready, come into overhand weave, and then open it up and then chase the sun counterclockwise. And not this one over the top, but the next one, turn left 90 degrees into overhand cap on the left, and into overhand weave. And then we're gonna turn to the right into counterclockwise cap, counterclockwise, chasing the sun. And not this one, but the next one, turn left into the cap, and then back to overhand weave. Open it up, chasing the sun. And not this one over the top, but the next one, turn left, go into the overhand cap on the left side. And come down into overhand weave. Open it up, counterclockwise, chasing the sun. And not this one, but the next one over the top, turn left, 90 degrees, overhand cap. And come into the 3-beat weave when you're ready. Then open it up, one more time, last time, counterclockwise, chasing the sun. And not this one over the top, but the next one, we're gonna turn left into the cap. And weave, and down.